Good afternoon. This is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to introduce you to 18368 North Wild Goose Avenue. This is in the coveted Northeast Nampa area, close to Costco, shopping, everything else. And you'll notice the nice wide garage doors. Those are 8 feet high, 16 foot wide on that one. And you see that they've got the kind of the elegant pattern on there. Very neutral colors, full rain gutters. And the homeowner added this additional concrete here, and it extends past the gate, which is really nice extra parking space here. Gives you space back here to put your trash cans, your lawnmowers, whatever else. Very low maintenance. And if you know the cost of concrete right now, you'll know what a nice upgrade that is. Nice, proud house. Another thing that you'll notice about the concrete here is that it extends out past the edges here. A lot of builders, what they do is they'll only pour the concrete to here, which means when you get out of the car, you're stepping into the snow or grass or whatever. And this has a nice wide footprint here. You've got the covered front patio. Again, the full rain gutters, and for aesthetic reasons, they've got the rain chain coming down from the gutters. It's just a more elegant way to bring down the water. And you've got the low maintenance landscaping here. Nice quiet neighborhood. Notice that there aren't 100 cars parked on the street, which is nice. The vinyl fencing. And our camera guy's here right now, so excuse that. Got the Ring doorbell. And then you've got this very proud, really tall front entry door, which is also nice. And I think it's time to go inside. Okay, we're heading in the front door, and the first thing you'll notice is the extensive, very neutral and beautiful LVP flooring. And 9-foot ceilings with lots of recessed can lighting. And again, the Sun Valley texturing throughout the house, very modern. And you have the two-tone paint, very neutral, kind of, I don't know if this is agreeable gray, but it's very similar with the white trim. And off the front, we have the first bedroom / office. Nice big windows. Notice that you've got the window sills in there as well, 2.5-inch faux blinds. Plenty of room for guest bedroom or an office here. Again, the nice big glass door. Nice big entryway also. I like that. This way you open the front door and the pizza delivery guy is not sitting on your couch with you. And here in the family room, as you can see, you have room for any size furniture. Nice big windows. Again, the 9-foot ceilings, room for any size TV in here. It's nice that there's a fireplace. And then of course we have the very spacious and elegant kitchen. Granite countertops, full tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Off to our right, I'll go back to the kitchen, but I want to show you real quick. The LVP flooring, one thing I really like is it's in all the main walking areas here. A lot of times the builder will put carpet in right here and you're walking across one little swatch of carpet and destroying it. Back here we have the laundry. I think nothing special there, but voila, it does come with the sink and even has granite countertops there. And it's really nice that it has the detachable sprayer head here as well. Flat panel electrical throughout the house. And here's the big open kitchen. Additional space over here. Nice big walk-in pantry with electrical outlets, so you have room for a little coffee bar here if you like. Plenty of space. And again, the full tile backsplash. The gas range. Your LG appliance here. And it's got the same LG dishwasher. Beautiful granite, nice deep stainless steel sink. And then you've got the huge eating space. One thing I love about this is you picture having a family gathering or party. Look how much you can extend out this table. I mean, you could just come out a lot further. You could even put 2 tables here and have plenty of room for a party. This goes out to the covered back patio. I'll go and show you the rear yard here before we head into the next bedroom. You have the stamped concrete out here. Covered, lots of recessed can lights, 4 of them. Full vinyl fencing, again, very low maintenance. And I love the fact that there's no grass up against the side of the house. It's the #1 cause for water and crawl spaces, and this owner's thought of that. It's very smart. Just has the rock there. A convenient outlet out here as well. Maybe you'll call this home. Okay, going back inside now. Before we head over to the split plan with the bedrooms over there, yeah, I think we'll go ahead and take you over there. So heading into the bedrooms. This house also, by the way, the rear of the house faces east, which is probably one of the most coveted directions because you get shade in the afternoon. This is our bedroom number 2. We'd have the one off the front / office. Now we have the guest bathroom, raised vanity, nice big mirror. It's nice that there's a window here as well. Shower tub combination. I like the hardware throughout the house. Very nice. It's got the lever styled handles. I also like the 5-panel doors. This floor plan, you can see it online, but it's pretty much the perfect floor plan. There's no wasted square footage. There's just lots of linen closets, and the only real hallway you have is off that front entry, which is a smart, space to have designated there to delineate the rooms. And then here's the bedroom number 3 and your closet. And now we'll head over to the master. Okay, so we're leaving the south side of the house and heading over to the master bedroom. And this is right off of the front entry, which our photographer's doing his 3D thing and all that right now. And we've got the guest bathroom over here. I love the fact that it's away from the kitchen. It's private enough for your company, etc. And again, we've got the granite in there, raised vanity, and your toilet area, elongated toilet. It's a nice little feature. And now we're heading into the master bedroom. This is the optimum size master bedroom, approximately 15 by 15. It should fit any size furniture. This is a king size bed. And you'll notice that there's still plenty of space over here for almost any size furniture on both sides of the bed. Nice big windows to look out of the back patio. Private from the other bedrooms. And then you've still got plenty of room on this wall for an even larger dresser, 5 or 6 TVs, whatever you want to do in here. I'm just kidding. Ceiling fan. But you see what I mean. You've got plenty of room for your artwork, bookcases, whatever you want to do. And then we'll head into the master bath and notice the beautiful tile flooring. Kind of goes with, same with the carpet really, it can go with grays or browns, tones. It's a really nice color palette they put in this house. The raised vanity, his and her sinks, tile backsplash, again the 9-foot ceilings. It's got the private commode with a door and a window. Again, the upgraded toilets here. Nice long bathtub, soaker tub. The obscured glass window here with a slider on the bottom. And it's smart that they put the faucet over here on the end, so if when you're getting in and out, you're not getting impaled. Which for the longest time, a lot of these tubs were only like this long, and then they would put the faucet right here. So it's a nice feature. You have the master closet, lots of built-ins, nice and tall, some transom windows. Yours truly, hello. The built-ins there, and then we have the rain glass shower over here on this side, nice and spacious with the bench seats there. which is nice. And I think that pretty much concludes the tour. If you have any additional questions about the house, please ask your realtor, or if you're not working with anyone, feel free to give me a call, 208-340-0000. Be happy to help you. One last thing, wanted to show you the garage real quick. This is an extra deep garage, 23.5 feet deep. So as you can see, you can fit a big truck in here, still have plenty of room. Nice tall ceilings, you could do some storage racks. Both openers are installed. It's got the windows in here, plus a window over there and a man door, which is nice. And a little bit of extra space over here on the side, about 2 feet to 18 inches, and some room between there so you can actually open up your door and get out safely. And over here we have our water heater and furnace. I like that it's set back also. That just gives you lots of space. Plenty of room for an extra freezer, refrigerator, and storage. Overall, just a really comfortable garage space.